I don't have track of how many looks I've done in Thailand, but today is my third day, and we're going to go out to Patong Beach, and we're going to see the sunset and just have dinner there and come back. Maybe get a foot massage, I don't know, but it is hot and humid, so I will keep my makeup accordingly. No liquid foundation and no contour. A little sunscreen. Straight in with the concealer. Blend it out. I'll just mattify the top of my eyes and finish the eye makeup first. I'm going to use the Huda Nude Medium palette. I'm going to go in with this color. I'm going to contour my upper lid. Bring it down a little. Bring it down a little. Take it till your crease line, take it higher if you have hooded eyes. Then I'm going to take a dark brown and a fluffy brush and just put it on the outer corners. Just use this on the outer corners. Just to create a little shading. I'm having such a nice time making my makeup videos here. Beautiful view, silence, peace. Take a black kohl. Now fill out your waterline. Now we'll smudge it with a brown eyeshadow. Take a pencil brush and a brown eyeshadow and then just smudge, smudge, smudge. Bring it lower. Smudge and then bring it lower. Then you're going to create this smoky kind of feel. I'm going to set my eyebrows. Mascara is a must. This is a mild smoky eye look with brown and brick. Just make sure the corners are darker and you'll get the smoky feel and the whatever I did on the lower eyelid. My eye makeup is done, but I want to highlight my brow bone with my highlighter. Put it on the outer part. Don't come all the way in. So my eye makeup is done. Line and fill out your lips with a nude lip liner. Then a darker lip liner. I'm going to use a nude lipstick, so I did a little bit of contouring. A little lip gloss. A little bit of blush so that I don't need to contour at all. Just use it in this angle. Let's end it with some highlighter. Some of my powder foundation. I took my phone off the stand, that's why the frame is moving. And that's the only foundation that goes on me. My makeup is done. I'm going to just set it.